What's up, everybody? We're out here getting my hay put up on a windy day. Finally got the baler all put back together. It's on the 40/20. It's running it good. It's a hot day out, hot dusty day, but we're kicking out good bales. Nice and tight. That's how we like it. Good looking bale. Quite a few bales out here too. Everything's going good. Boy, a cab tractor and air conditioning and radio would be nice, but there's just something about sitting on a 40/20. Got a few rows left. I don't know, maybe another hour and a half probably. Get done in time to just go do chores. So, got it hooked up. There you can kind of see the damage from the drive chain that broke. We'll make another video of that. Twine's running good. Double twine arm. Got the monitor hooked up. So let's make a bale. See there, it says ready. The gate's latched. There's a switch on the back for high and low light. See that? I always have it set on high. Here's our gauges, the left and our right side on how we build our bale. And then our middle light, it'll start flashing when it's near full, just like it says. And solid means it'll start wrapping. And those twine arms will be going. And those twine wheels, they will start spinning. So you can see that it's putting twine on. And then once you open it, this stop light will come on and shut it, and the ready light will come back on again. So let's make a bale. There's a PTO. Pressing our clutch.